Yes, sir.
Tell me please.
This is the home screen of the 10-inch infotainment system,
Okay.
wherein we have a symbol of a car here.
Okay.
Now this shows me traction control is deactivated. Now this traction control, I'll put it again, sir. Now it is activated. It should be in deactivated mode in normal roads.
Okay.
Right? So it's deactivated only, so it's good.
Okay.
This system you can switch on, activate it during rainy conditions, slippery roads, uneven terrain. That time you, sir, can use it.
Okay.
If you use
off
it, now it is
or
deactivated. Now it is deactivated.
Deactivated.
Yes. So this usually people tend to keep it on,
Okay.
and thereby the mileage will drop about 1 kilometer per liter. So this should be off. Only in those kind of situations, sir can use it.
Okay.
Next, we have another feature here. This is known as idle start-stop recuperation.
Okay.
Now, in this feature, let me just see if it's on or off.
Oh, just a second, if possible.
Yes.
Let us see. Yesterday, this is what how the entire driving time 3 hours 13 minutes, and average speed which I have covered, and trip was 59.
Okay.
It's
59 kilometers, huh?
Yeah. So what is this exactly?
Okay, now this is showing you the average consumption per liter.
Yani
7.4 kilometers per liter. It
Yeah.
is giving you the feedback.
Yes.
Time is 3 hours 13 minutes, your total drive time, sir.
Okay.
Average speed is around 18 kilometers per hour.
Okay.
And trip kilometers is 59
So
kilometers.
this was yesterday.
This was yesterday's driving data.
Yeah.
Now what we are going to do here is we are going to reset the entire driving data.
Okay.
Because now we are going to test the vehicle.
Yes. Yes.
So now I'm going to do that. I'm going to go to car settings, go to car.
Okay.
Once I go to car, we will come to instrument cluster.
Okay.
So now I will put the reset.
Okay.
Now reset
Okay.
and reset long term. So now all your driving data has been erased, sir.
Okay.
So now if I go to the driving data, and now I come to settings.
So it's all
Now it's all zero, sir.
Right.
So now we will start and we will see.
Yeah.
Now here is one feature known as idle start-stop recuperation.
Okay.
Now what happens at signals?
Yeah. Yeah.
What happens? The car will shut down automatically, and it will start also automatically. But when it shuts down, the blower and infotainment system will work.
Okay.
This is a feature found in hybrid cars.
Okay. Okay.
So this is a hybrid car feature. This should be on. Now it is
Always.
deactivated. You can keep it on because it's a good feature.
Yeah. Yeah.
In the highways, you don't have in the signals, you don't have to switch the car off.
Okay.
It will switch off
Automatically. Yeah.
Supposing the signal becomes green, just press the accelerator or brake pedal, sir.
understand.
It will start again.
Okay. Now it is on or off now?
It is activated, sir.
Activated.
Yes.
How can you see this?
Here.
Okay.
Now it shows it's deactivated.
Okay.
Now I'll activate it.
Okay.
Start-stop system is
Yani
activated.
this light should be off.
This it should show here, sir. There will be no indication here.
No, we can see this light on.
Yeah, exactly. This is now off.
Deactivated.
Deactivated. Now
And
light is
if
off.
It is on. Okay, understand.
Yes, sir.
If it is off, that is activated.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, fine.
That's it, sir. Now I think we are good to go, sir.
Yes. So now we are starting, right?
Yes, sir. The format. Now you're driving on this format.
Yes.
There are different formats.
Yes.
Now we will switch to this format where it is showing me the RPM,
Okay.
and it shows me the kilometers per hour here,
Okay.
and shows me my gear mode here. It shows it on reverse. I'm on
Fine.
reverse at the
Fine.
moment. So now idling speed should always be at 900 RPM with the AC on. If you put the AC off, it will drop to 800 RPM. Now
Okay.
the band to drive this, especially torque converter transmission, is within 2000 RPM.
Okay.
If we exceed 2000 RPM, this car is having a turbocharger, sir,
Right.
like your Toyota Innova.
Right.
So what happens in the turbocharger? It activates at 1700 RPM.
Okay.
1700 to 1750, the turbocharger will open.
Okay.
So once the turbocharger opens, you will get a sudden burst of power.
Okay.
You can feel it in diesel cars.
Okay.
Sudden burst, sir.
Okay.
That means the turbocharger gets activated.
Okay.
Now, the driving style for the one, especially 1 liter, because it's a 3-cylinder engine.
Yeah.
All your other cars have been 4-cylinder.
Okay.
So when you get that boost of power around here, the RPM will shoot up. At that time, just take your foot off the accelerator. It will steady at 2000, And then at 1800, 1900 RPM, you can cruise even at 80 kilometers per hour, sir.
Okay.
No problem. Bumper to bumper traffic, I will show you one mode here. You don't have to accelerate the car. You just use the brakes. The car will move automatically. I will show you, sir.
Okay. Then you tell me.
Yes, sir.
Anyway, today we are going to start, and we
Yes.
are just considering this as our
This is our
exact
going to
mileage.
be
How we are going to pick up the mileage, and
Yes.
there's a system where it is showing our entire driving and time what we are using, and how
Yes.
many kilometers have been traveled,
Yes.
and what is the mileage it has been showing to us.
Correct,
And
sir.
this is exactly what the car gives the mileage, and this is the right mileage.
And this is the
can
average.
take
This is
into
an
consideration
we can take it.
How
to
accurate this is.
This is about 75% accurate, sir. It is not.
75%.
It is not 100% accurate.
Okay. So we'll take it as a 75% as an accuracy,
Yes,
right?
sir. Yes, sir.
Today, now.
Yes,
Okay, if we are not satisfied with this, we will full tank the car.
And
Again,
then
we'll
bring it
full to full, we will calculate.
We calculate, and again we have to do a full tank.
Yes, if that is the case,
Yes, sir,
if we
we'll
are
do
not
that.
satisfied with this today,
Yes, sir.
okay, we'll full tank the car, again we'll try.
Sure.
So you tell me how many kilometers will go down.
Hussain, कितना किलोमीटर?
No, it's
15?
upon you, no.
15?
As you say, whatever road
think-
you choose, in the cities, okay?
Yeah, yeah.
Whichever
We'll
side
go.
you want to go, we'll go.
I'm not familiar. I've just moved to Hyderabad, sir.
अच्छा ठीक है we'll show
You
you the
also
roads
suggest,
and all. Yeah. Where do we go? We'll go to Samajguda or what? Anywhere in the city. Anywhere. We'll go to so अपना where is our ये अपना भी है ना अपना ये भी है ना number plate का fixing का.
Number plate is in Samajguda.
Samajguda, not in Jubilee Hills. Huh? Okay, how many kilometers Samajguda from here? It would be 8 or 10, 12. ठीक है, then you take the car. Anyway, we are recording, everything is shooted here.
Yes, sir.
Okay?
Done, sir.
We are taking this into our confidence, right?
Yes, sir.
Huh? Perfect.
This way also exit is
Yes,
this way.
please, to come back. We'll go this way. Right then.
Okay, now, sir, I am not using the accelerator at all.
Hmm.
The car is moving.
Yeah.
So this function is known as the creep function. This will come in an... Yes, sir, you were telling me, sir.
No, as per your suggestion, as per our drive now, we
Yes,
are
sir.
driving this car
Yes, sir.
and we are driving in the city, right?
Yes, sir.
You tell me how many kilometers mileage we can pick up now.
See, maximum in an automatic you will get from anything between 9 to 910 kilometers per liter, especially in automatics.
Okay.
Because automatics will shift according to the set up, sir.
Nice, straight.
Straight, sir.
Hmm.
Automatics have a fixed gear ratio, sir.
Okay.
They will change at that particular RPM.
Okay.
So that's the reason an automatic will give lesser fuel efficiency than a manual transmission. This way, sir?
Straight. I'll tell you.
Yes, sir.
Right. You say it is only 10 kilometers in city
Max.
maximum. So since said me that we will catch up 13 kilometers in city, why did you tell me that then?
13,
Traffic to traffic.
it depends, sir. 13
Yeah.
will not come in automatic, sir.
But
Which
what
way, sir?
Hussain said is not correct. Huh? At the time of buying this car, what Hussain said is not correct.
We will see, sir. Because what I have seen feedback from customers plus on Facebook,
Huh.
there is a... Yes, sir.
Left.
This one? Yes, sir. Because what there's a Facebook, there's a page you can join, sir.
Huh.
It is known as Skoda India Owners Club.
Huh.
In that you will find same feedback which you have been giving,
Hmm.
and there are a lot of existing owners saying how to drive the car actually. This way,
Left,
sir.
left again. Hmm.
And there you will find all these comments, and you will find the exact way how to tackle these problems also. So I am an active member of
when
that
the
page.
customer is coming to buy a car, why don't you suggest them to go through the Facebook and go through internet and buy a car? Why you sales people and all your executives, they want to convince the customer giving all these explanations.
That is,
No, when I'm asking something,
Yes,
you
I
are
understand.
telling me to go to Facebook and look at the feedback.
that is what when I say basically I joined the organization around 1 month back, sir.
Okay.
Mahavir.
Huh.
So
Before that, where
before
were
that
you?
I was a trainer for Skoda,
Acha.
Sales trainer,
Acha.
basically.
But at the time of selling the car, when you train the people, you will train them in a way that in order to just convince the customer, you can bluff them whatever way you want, right?
No, it's not nothing like that, sir.
Ah.
It is real. We need to actually speak to the customer regarding how and what is the difference between manual and automatic.
Ah.
It is simple like this, sir.
Ah.
You take a 100cc Honda Activa scooter,
Ah.
right? And you take a 100cc motorcycle, let us say Hero Splendor. Hero Splendor will return to you 60 to 70 kilometers per liter, 100cc. But Honda Activa, being a CVT automatic scooter, it will give you only half that fuel efficiency. So that is why manual automatics today people prefer because of the congestion in the city. This is one part of it. So when you take a manual, it is constantly change gears. It's tiresome at times, things like that. But the
Right, sir. Hussain, can we get somebody who from there to अपना इधर जुबली हिल्स आ सकते हैं क्या कोई नंबर प्लेट फिक्स करके? If anybody is there, it's okay. If not, we'll go sometimes. Whenever I go that side, I'll get it. How many kilometers from here to Samajgura?
Samajgura, it's showing 19.
19, huh?
Jubilee
No,
Hills
it's
is
waste
10.
of going very far.
Sir, vehicle number?
989.
09.
098.
0989 నంబర్ ప్లేట్ రెడీ ఉందా మీ దగ్గర? మార్నింగ్ మెసేజ్ వచ్చిందా కస్టమర్కి దట్ వెహికల్ ఇస్ హెచ్ఎస్ఆర్పి నంబర్ ప్లేట్ ఇస్ రెడీ. కాదు ఉమాకాంత్ పేరు మీద ఉంటుంది.
Then now you tell me, how do we test again?
full tank, sir. Full tank to tank again. 3/4 full tank to 3/4, and again full tank. Same bunk, preferably same gun if possible. But let it be the same bunk, sir, because these bunk fellows, no sir, कभी आपको 1 liter नहीं देते हैं. They'll give you 900 ml, 950 ml. They'll never give you. You ask them take a 1 liter bottle and go to them and ask them to give you 1 liter. They will never give you 1 liter. बोला नहीं आप लूज ले रहे हैं, आधा लीटर दे दो. Because they never give you 1 liter. They'll never give you 950 ml, 975 ml. So 1 liter bottle जाकर बोलेगा, पूछेगा, give me 1 liter of fuel. They'll never give you. So preferably same bunk, same gun also will be a good idea, sir. I know it might be a challenge, but if you can get that done,
Then you tell me if you do that now.
full tank to 3/4 tank.
Then you
Then
suggest me to fill
Full
the-
tank again, back to 3/4. Then you have to calculate the kilometers done against the liters you have filled, sir. Then we can get a figure.
So how much we can arrive with that?
Approximately 9.5 to 10, sir.
Slowly. Take your time.
Left, sir.
Slowly.
Yeah.
So anything 9.5 to 10 we cannot cross, right?
Little difficult, sir.
Though it is
Because the
difficult
traffic
for-
conditions are such, that is the problem.
Mm.
And petrol cars will never give you what you get in a diesel. That because the fuel is different, the combustion is very high in diesel because it's more, what to say, like with a different fuel totally, sir. So diesel cars cost is higher. Servicing, the price of the car itself is higher than a petrol car. Then with the servicing cost,
So as per you are saying, whatever the way we drive the car, whatever the way we fill the fuel,
U-turn here, sir.
whatever the wherever we go, whatever the style of speed we drive, it cannot cross 9.5 or 10.
Again depends on the traffic condition, on our
Anyway,
driving
we are,
style.
we are in the city, right?
Max
it's-
you will
it's,
get 10 to 11 is what we can expect, sir. Real time.
But here it is not showing more than 8.5. This is what we thought the time when we started our drive, right?
That's what, sir. That's exactly what we will. This is again 75% accuracy. It may be 9, maybe 9.5 also, but nothing less than that. But it is giving you a sort of idea on what is your consumption. Like you can see now it's showing 8.9. So will vary as it goes on.
Now we have stopped it, okay?
Yes.
This is showing 8.7 kilometers consumed for how many?
1 hour 4 minutes.
1
sir.
hour 4 minutes.
17 kilometers is the average
Average
speed,
kilometers.
and 18 kilometers is the
yeah.
trip.
So 18 kilometers we are driving. Average speed is 17, and timing is 1 hour 4 minutes,
Yes.
which we have started. The consumption is 8.7.
Even yes, per
So
liter.
this is how
Mhm.
the exactly Skoda will work, right?
This is what, not exactly, sir. Again, it's only 75 to 80% accuracy. It's not 100% accuracy.
Okay.
So it may be 10% more also you are getting. So I suggest you do full tank to 3/4 tanks. That is better way to judge it. This is, we have just done a very short trip. So when you do the actual calculation according to that, Hussein will also advise you how to do it, sir. Once you do that, then we can arrive at a correct figure.
Full to full.
Full to 3/4.
Okay.
Again full to 3/4, and then we calculate the kilometers, amount of fuel we have filled. Then we get the exact figures.
So how it will be like? How much it will be?
That's what we have to see, sir. That's what I presume, and actually what feedback from the customers. If you go to any Facebook page, there will be about 10 average.
Okay.
What you will get, sir.
ठीक है.